Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video, we're going to unbox a product that Insta360 sent to me, and I just received it. It's the Insta360 Link 2C Pro. It's the flagship AI 4K webcam. And I'm currently recording this on the Insta360 Link, which was, I think, their first gen maybe. I purchased that a few years ago, and it's a great camera. And so I was really excited when they reached out to me and said they would send me this in order to make a couple videos about it. They're not paying for this video at all, but you know, they like the fact that I open things up and give honest reviews about it. So here it says it's a 4K. It has a 1/1.3 inch professional grade sensor. It's exceptional in low light, auto framing, directional pickup. And what's really cool is natural bokeh, so it acts more like a mirrorless or a DSLR in that regard. It has AI noise cancellation, smart whiteboard mode, an AI meeting assistant, and smart control. In the box is the Insta360 Link 2C Pro, a magnetic mount, a USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-A adapter, recognition marker, and a quick start guide, as well as a warranty card. So we're going to open it up with my trusty scissors that I don't, not really sure where they came from. Open the box. All right, so here we have the camera. And it's pretty solid. There's a little privacy shutter on here, which the Link camera doesn't have, the first generation one, but this one does. USB-C connection in the back. Here it says place Link 2C Pro in the center of this space. So we're going to open this up, and there's a little sticker on here we're going to take off, and another sticker on the bottom we're going to take off. So there's a thread there, so we can put it on various tripods. And then let's see how this works. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's magnetic. What I like about this is you can kind of swivel it as needed. It's pretty cool. Let's see what else is in the box. We have our whiteboard markers. We have stickers. Everybody loves stickers. We have the Insta360 FlexCare 2-year plan card. We have the quick start guide, safety guidelines, and a warranty card. And then the only other thing left in the box is a really nice long USB-C to USB cable with a adapter for USB-A. So there you have it. I'll make a couple videos with this to test it out, but if you have any questions, comment them below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share the channel, share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And yeah, thanks for watching.